Hi everyone, welcome back to Freshly Smooth. Today we are making seamoss gel from dry sea moss. Seamoss gel is a nutrient-rich superfood that is great for boosting your overall health and can be used in various recipes. So let's get started. To make seamoss gel, you will need the following ingredients. Dry sea moss, I have about 30 grams, and purified or spring water. Place your sea moss in a bowl and let soak for 15 minutes in the filtered water. After 15 minutes passed, rinse your sea moss about 2 times to remove any excess salt or sand. Place sea moss in a bowl and fill with spring water until all sea moss is covered and let it sit for 6 to 24 hours. You can use lime as option to remove salt smell. After soaking, you will notice that the sea moss has expanded and became softer. Drain off the water and transfer the rehydrated sea moss into the blender. Add enough water in the blender that sea moss is almost covered, however, not all the way, and blend until smooth. Once you have a smooth gel-like consistency, pour the sea moss gel into a clean and airtight glass jar. Seal the jar tightly to maintain freshness. And that's it, your homemade sea moss gel is ready. Refrigerate the sea moss gel immediately after you make it. You can keep the sea moss in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 weeks. So today we made our own sea moss gel from dry sea moss. Remember, sea moss is packed with nutrients and can be used in smoothies, desserts, and even as a thickening agent for soups and sauces. After making my sea moss gel, I didn't want it to go to waste, so I made a smoothie with sea moss leftover from my blender. I hope you enjoyed this very easy and healthy DIY sea moss gel. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!